Hey, what's going on? So check this out. We're just finishing up this bagger for a good customer of ours. Like most of our customers and most of us at our shop, we're slightly neurotic when it comes to our toys. Matt here can't just leave anything alone. Every time he takes a bike, he redoes it. He got this, well, he got his other bike and he said he wasn't gonna get another one. Next thing I know, he got this one and then he redid it and then redid it again. And so here we are. And we ended up, we had already done a seat for this bike, but he went through and changed the stretch tanks. I think it was because we kind of broke his stones a little bit on one of our previous videos where we were talking about stretch tanks and symmetry. Because if they're not symmetrical, we have to make a seat that's not symmetrical to fit those. And Matt had made a comment about it. And next thing you know, here he is. And he cut the actual tank cover down and squared it off a little bit. So it's a cool looking seat now, or a cool looking bike, obviously, again. And he also two-toned it, which is really cool. Something real trick he did is he went and had his body shop actually cut his side covers in to get even more leg room in there, because these bikes are so wide. That not only is it really cool looking, it's totally functional and helps out a lot. But we went through, we ended up redoing the backrest too to match, and we have a black imitation leather with a silver double diamond stitch on it, and we have black Alcantara outdoor imitation suede on there, which is really cool. Altogether, it's a really cool bike, and hopefully Matt likes it. We sent him a couple pictures and he seemed pretty stoked, and I know he's happy to get his bike, because like with every single bike build, it always comes down to the wire, and we didn't get this bike until really late in the season, kind of. When you're thinking about wanting to ride your bike, you don't want to be like July and August dropping your bike off to have it finish a ride. Everybody likes to ride in like May, June, and July. We hope you like the bike. We like the bike. Thanks for watching.